All right, finally got the plug in the exhaust crossover. We have little extra secrets too coming up. Block them off here too. We got everything clean, looking nice. All right, we got our new gaskets in place. Everything's clean and ready to go on our manifold. We're gonna set this baby gently into position and bolt her down. We are waiting for carburetor gaskets because they were supposed to ship and they didn't, but we'll have everything else done, belts, all that good stuff done today. All right, we got our manifold back in its spot. AC compressor bracket's back. Power steering pump bracket is back. We also replaced the belt because what was on there was getting a little yucky, boys and girls. Yeah, that's seen better days. So, Dayco top cogs all around. That's all we put on these cars now. Everything else seems to not want to cooperate. And there's very inconsistencies, large inconsistencies rather, like when you have two matched pair belts like this. Any other brand, they'll be plus or minus half an inch and it will not work right. But the top cogs, they're dead on every time. So with everything back together, we're waiting on 2 carburetor gaskets and we will be done.